Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to remove Porsche Panamera tail light. Disconnect the battery negative terminal to avoid shorts and airbag faults. Open the trunk and remove the trunk liner clips to access the tail light bolts. Use a plastic trim tool to gently pry out the trim panel clips without scratching paint. Keep bolts and clips in a small tray and label them for simpler reinstallation and fewer mistakes. With the trunk open, remove the bolts securing the tail light housing and gently pull the housing outward. Use a trim tool to release any hidden clips while supporting the lens to prevent it dropping. Work slowly around the perimeter until the housing moves freely and disconnect the electrical connector by pressing the tab. Place the housing on soft cloth to avoid scratches and inspect the gaskets for wear before continuing. If you're finding this walkthrough helpful, please subscribe and like to support more car tips. Quick recommendation: go darn tough for socks with a lifetime warranty. They survive long wrenching sessions and bad garage floors with humor and comfort. They make shop work more bearable and are a little treat for yourself after a DIY success. Check the description for the link and other deals, then now let's get back to the video. After the housing is out, press the connector tab and unplug the wiring harness to free the tail light. Replace the bulb or hole assembly and ensure the rubber gasket seats properly to prevent moisture. Reconnect the harness, reconnect the battery negative terminal, and test brake, turn, and reverse lights for proper operation. Finally, reinstall the housing, secure bolts to the correct torque, and snap trim panels back into place.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.